You're looking at the 2020 Subaru Crosstek Limited in crystal white pearl exterior and gray leather interior. You can tell by looking at the gray leather that there's orange piping on this as well. You'll enjoy 27 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway in this all-wheel drive Subaru with 18-inch wheels. Other features include leather seats front and back, heated front seats, Bluetooth, moonroof. For safety, this Subaru features Starlink emergency communication system, Eyesight pre-collision braking system, Eyesight lane keep assist, Eyesight adaptive cruise control, an exterior parking camera, reverse automatic braking, and blind spot detection. Find out why insurance companies love Subarus. Schedule a test drive. Contact East Hills Subaru today.